Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, ayan magluluto tayo ng pancit Bihon and Canton na merong sahog na pork belly and black tiger shrimp. Ito yung mga sahog na meron ako ngayon para sa Pancit Canton Bihon natin na lulutuin. Itong Pancit Canton, Pancit Bihon, kaunting chicharo, carrots, sibuyas, cabbage, at pork belly. Wala natin magluto, nagpainit na ako ng kawali dito, tapos ilalagay ko na dito yung mga karne. Nilagyan ko na pala ito ng asin and paminta. Bali, hayaan lang natin siya magmantika. Ayan, okay na to sa akin, nag golden brown na. Ilalagay ko na dito yung sibuyas. Sunod naman yung bawang. Meron din ako ditong frozen black tiger shrimp. Maglalagay ako ng kaunti. Yan. Lagay ko na rin dito yung gulay na carrots and chicharo. Maglalagay na ako dito ng mga pampalasa na toyo. Tatlong kutsara muna. Oyster sauce. Black pepper. Chicken nor cubes. Lagay na ako dito ng tubig. Ayan, pinakain ko na ang baby Aiden at spaghetti yung pinakain ko sa kanya. Bali, galing lang to sa freezer yung sauce, tapos nilutuan ko lang siya ng pasta. Hindi na rin kasi siya makakapaghintay. So, ito madali ang luto lang. Bali, galing sa freezer yung sauce pero inoven ko para, diniprost ko sa oven. So, ayan. Hot? Bagong luto yung pasta, tapos yung sauce inoven ko ng kaunti after ko ma-defrost. Okay. Yum yum. Check na natin itong niluluto kong gulay. Ayan, mukhang okay na to. Lagay ko na dito yung pancit. Lalagay lang ko ng isang pancit bihon. Kasi hindi namin nauubos kapag maramihan. Hayaan ko lang to kumulo para madali siyang hiwa-hiwalayin. Ayan, hiniwalay ko na muna itong mga black tiger shrimp para hindi ma-overcook. Lagay ko na rin dito yung pancit canton. Unti-unti ko na rin ilalagay dito yung repolyo para maluto na. Ayan, lalagay ko lang siya sa taas. Dami rin pala ng repolyo ko. Ibabalik ko na dito yung mga hipon. Ayan. Ayan, luto na ang ating pancit. Maglalagay din pala ako dito ng sesame oil. Lagi ko to ginagawa kapag magluluto ng pancit dahil pampadagdag ng amoy na mabango and pampasarap siya para may nutty flavor. Ayan, 1 tablespoon siguro to pero tinatansya ko na lang. Ilagay na natin. Okay na tong unang salang, aalisin ko na dito. Meron akong tissue and plato dito on the side. And finally, my God. Thank you, Lord. Lemon. So hungry. So good. You like it?
Thank you.
I know you don't have the patience. Here, just don't eat the tail. You like the shrimp? It's good.
Yeah. I eat them careful.
Wala nang usap-usap guys dahil sobrang gutom. Give him lumpia, yours is cold. Oh my god, you put the dinosaur down and he just took the lumpia.
Imagine that. Oh wow, I got the whole thing out.
Really? You're improving. So how was it when your dad eats seafood you don't eat and your mom?
There you go.
Does your dad eat seafood at home?
Oh yeah. At home, no.
No? Because you don't eat and your mom?
No, because it's expensive and we don't buy it to cook.
You really don't eat like fish at home?
No, fish, yeah, but no seafood. My dad loves fish and seafood, but me, my mom.
No.
I mean, not really, but very specific ones. And you know me, I don't like mussels and oysters. Like your mom eats like the oysters, you know, the ones with the lemon and stuff. We eat them
Tastes like sea. I
dessert
don't like those
and-
two.
Oh, I couldn't do that.
My favorite seafood is shrimp and crab.
I don't like crab either.
Crab is the best.
I remember I tried it when you gave me a pinching crab and you had that North Atlantic crab or king crab or whatever it is. It just wasn't for me.
My dream is to eat the whole king crab.
Lion. Buffalo. Rhino. Jesus, yeah.
Ayun lang guys, kain lang kami. I hope na-enjoy nyo ulit itong another cooking vlog natin, plus mukbang. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa aming next video. And also leave us a comment, of course. We want to hear you. And let us also know what time you saw this video and where you're watching from, so we know where this video reach people.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.